Hi and welcome to this lesson. As you've heard in the intro, Jenkins is one of the most popular tools, and it's incredibly popular for when it comes to automation and CI/CD. If you're an operations engineer or an IT engineer with no developer background, this is going to be incredibly useful. But also, if you're a developer, there's also good knowledge in here for you as well. So in DevOps, we work closely with our developers, and they have applications to build. I'm going to use the example of a Java application here, because this is normally one of the most common uses. So we'll focus on CI now, continuous integration. So we have our app. This is the end product, but it starts off as raw code. So where Jenkins and the CI/CD process come in is that if a dev makes some changes and then commits it using a platform such as GitHub or Bitbucket, they've now made a change. So what we then want to do is then build the code. Now we could do it on our local machine, but that's very inefficient. So where Jenkins comes in is we take these steps and turn them into a pipeline. So the dev will commit their change, goes to the code, and then Jenkins will automatically scan for any new commits. When a new commit is picked up, it will start a build. So if this was a Java application, you may use Maven or Gradle to build your jar file. And then what we can do as part of the CI process is then go ahead and test as well. So we can use Jenkins to set up a pipeline step to go ahead and test what we've built. So now the key part of this is we're now automating this process. As far as the developer is concerned, he'll commit his change, we'll now start building, and then we can test. And this is the continuous integration part, because if the test fails, the developer knows he needs to commit a change to get the test to pass. Now let's have a look at CD.